Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are all well. Today I will introduce with a very useful software for the PC and Windows as well. It's the image viewer software. I hope you will enjoy my video. Today the main software will come up about the image viewing. As we have many options to see our image in our laptop or PC. But some software is very important for us to do extra more with this software. If you want to edit option or editable image viewing software, then this video is for you. So what is the name of this software? This software name will come up within a few seconds. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfor Rahman, the digital expert. Yes, this is FastStone Image Viewer, the best image viewer for the Windows. Now I am watching this image using this same software. I mean FastStone Image Viewing software. Now I will show you what can I do extra. Comparing with the other image viewing software. Let's check it out. If you click the right button, then you will see many options here. You can do many extra activities with this software. I mean, switch to browser view, side view, omen, savage, reload wallpaper, edit with external program, open containing folder, edit. Especially this is the vital option for you if you want to edit your own image with this software. Then what can you do with this edit option? You can rotate your image left, rotate right, flip horizontally, flip vertically, straighten or rotate by any degree. Resize, you can resize your own image by using this software. Canvas size, you can resize again, resize your canvas by using this. Set DPI resolution as well. Crop board, I mean this is the very important cropping activity. Now I will try to crop by using this software. If I want to crop this, then I have an this cropping home page. Now I am cropping this software, cropping this image, very easy and simple. After dragging the image, then you can choose which sides you can crop or not. You can drag it any kinds of sides, and you can identify your border, side border independently. What can you do? What you want? You can do everything by using this. Then click the crop in the right button, right side of this corner. Then the image will be cropped. Very easy and simple. And for saving, you have to click the right button and then save as. The cropped picture will be saved. Very easy and simple. So now I am going again to the main menu. I was staying here in the crop board. Now I will discuss about the draw board. Draw, I mean this is very important. I like this option, very important section. It is, you can do extra more than the another all image viewing software. You can draw, you can text, you can highlight it, you can draw a circle, and many more. You can see in the left side there is a option like the Photoshop software, and you can do everything what you want with this software. I like this option, and I am using this software for a long time. I hope you will also enjoy my software and will be benefited like me. Now I will go again to the main menu. You can copy to folder, select, move to folder, email, print, and many more. There are many options here for editing your own image by the software. I hope you will enjoy this software and also enjoy my video. If you want to download this software, I will put the download link into the description box. You can download it easily and enjoy this software. Goodbye, bye bye. And before saying goodbye, I will request you to subscribe my channel for the next update. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me, www.lutfor11.com. Thanks.